Hello student, we go over AA9 product property of logarithms. Here we go. So take a look over here. We have logs base 10, a hidden base 10, okay, of 19 times z. So I separate them by two log, also base 10, okay? And then 19 should be over here and z in the back. Okay, then we're done. That's it. Okay, so put in the answer box. Put in the answer box. So here we go. So logs with no base, I mean hidden base, number 10, so it's right there. Make sure you put the plus sign. Okay, that's it. We're done. We're done. Number one is done. Bam! I got 10 points. Okay? Same thing again. Are you still on your phone, Trevor? Okay? So here we go again. This is multiplied, so I break it at two separate blocks. Okay? Base 10, hidden base 10. So I can put the z in the front and the y in the back. That's it, done. Okay? So I put it in. Here we go. Logs base 10 of z scientific log plus logs base 10 scientific log of y. Done. Voila. Okay. Now, same thing happening. So this is 13 times u, alright? So I separate them with the plus side. Okay. Log, scientific logs base 10 of 13. Scientific log base 10 of u. I'm done. Alright, here we go. I get my pen over here. I put scientific log 13. Make sure you get the plus sign. If you don't do plus sign, then you are wrong. Okay? Submit. Voila. Okay? Same thing. Hi. Not yet, because Kami is gonna go before you. Okay, so I come out log, two separate log over here with the plus sign. Okay, so log base 10 of 11 and log base 10 of z. Okay, so I put in the box. Here we go. Do not forget the plus sign. It's just a formula that we need to follow. That's it. Voila. Alright, here we go. One more time. Maybe we should jump to the next level. Oh, we saw level 2. Let's do level 3. Okay? Same thing. Level 3, the same thing. I would see level 4 and what happened. Yeah, level 4. Now they tell you this log has a base u. So make sure when you separate them, you have to use base u's. Okay, so here we go. 7 times v, that's multiplied. So you break at two separate blocks, but do not forget the base u, alright? And then 7 up here, and then v up here, okay? Do not forget the base. Okay, so now I put over here. I should choose the first option because the first option comes with the base. So I put in base u, and then you move your cursor, you put 7. Move your cursor one more time to plus and click on the logs again. Base u, okay? Move your cursor and then put the v. You see that? Voila. Okay? Okay, so let's move to level 5. Level 5. Not big a deal. Okay? So we got this log base x of 11 times e. We can separate by two separate logs, okay? And this separate log, make sure you have base x, okay? The first one of 11 and the second one of e. Okay, so I put it in, here we go. So log base x 11 plus log base x of e. Okay, here we go. Voila. Ooh, I got 85 points already. And I'm only at level 5. Okay? Ooh, look, take a look at this. When you look at this is similar to number 5, which it did. So, Brian and Markson, pay attention. Maybe you can apply this on your number 5. Okay? So this is two separate logs that add together right there. So you can combine them as a one single log. Okay? This is log base 10, so that this new log also base 10. So now you got 4 e power the 5th. And then the other one is 9 e power the 9. So you multiply them together. Okay? So that's it. So here we go. You multiply them together. Make sure everything together you can put parentheses. Alright? So now let's multiply them together. 4 times 9 is at 36. 4 times 9 is 36. And now E5 with E9, we combine them together, okay? By adding the power, okay? So 5 plus 9 is at 14, okay? So now you come out log base 10 of 36 of E power 14. That's it. So you need to know how to combine two exponential number have the same base when they multiply together. So you should add the power together. In this case, 5 plus 9, okay, which is come out 14, okay. So I go to my answer box, I put it in log base 10, okay. 4 times 9 becomes 36, and then I put e power 14. Alright? So I put e first and I click power 14. Alright? You see that? Everybody take a look at the board. If you can do this, you can do question 5 on your paper. Brian and Markson, can you do number 5 on your paper now? Of course you can. Submit. Voila. Ooh, where does it go? It said brilliant. Okay. Okay, we can go to the next level, level 6. Okay, same thing over here. I would break this at, ooh, this one over here. Since this is the plus sign, so I can combine as one single log. Make sure it has base V, okay? And then this is W and X, alright? So I multiply W and X. Okay? So let's put the answer in. Here we go. So I choose the log with the base option. I put the base V and I put W times X. That's it. Submit. Voila. Okay? I can move to level 7 now. Okay. So now take a look. 3 separate log but plus. So we do the same thing. So instead of 3 log, I can combine as one single log. Okay? And take a look over here. 6, 3, and 5. Alright? I multiply them together. 6, 3, and 5. Okay? So this is scientific logs base 10. 6 times 3, that's a 18. 18 times 5, that's a 90. Okay? So the final log is right here. Scientific logs base 10 of 90. And then, okay? Voila, done. Okay? So let's do level 8. Okay, so now take a look over here. They just want to double check that you understand the property formula. Okay, you have two separate log, base 10 of 4 and of 4. Okay, you can combine. So if you combine 4 times 4, so 4 times 4, which is 16, and it's come out exactly like that. So I will click on the option yes. Okay, so I click on the option yes. Here we go. Ooh, incomplete. Okay, let me click on the option. Yes, it is. Okay, let me click one more time. Here we go. Here we go. Submit. Okay. So now, this is last level, level 9. Okay? Same thing over here. Three logs adding together and they have the same base hidden 10. Okay? So I can combine them. Okay? Base hidden 10. You don't have to write the base 10. Okay? 2 times 3 times 8. 2 times 3 times 8. Okay? 2 times 3 times 8. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 8, 48. Alright? So I can combine them together. That's it. We done. Okay. Logs base 10 of 48. And I'm done. Voila. Okay. Now, instead of number, they give you the exponential e. Okay. So we do the same thing. So I can combine them as one single log base 3. Okay. So now, e right here is alright. So I e multiply with e to the 6. Alright. And then this on e to the 4. Okay. So these exponential number had the same base e. You can combine them. Alright. Base 3 right here. So the e, you can add 1 with 6 with 4, which come out 11, is alright? So the final answer is scientific log, not, this is regular logs, base 3 of e power to the 11. That's it. So I put it in. Here we go. Logs base 3 of e power to the 11. Voila. Okay, I'm done. Let me double check. That's it. E times e to the 6 times e to the 4. So you add all the power 1 plus 6 plus 4, that's an 11. Okay, we're done. Ka-ching! Thank you so much, you guys.